right, let's see if we got anything in this top one. Nope. Check the middle here. Not really. They're starting to draw on this one a little bit. Here, let's put this. It's in the middle. This one here. Damn. They're starting to draw it out a little bit. Not a whole lot. No. None of these are really doing anything. I'm just going to go ahead and put this back. I don't see anything really going on in there. And we'll see about getting this off of here. Okay. A lot of action on the bottom of that. Smash a bunch of bees. That's a burn pollen going on. Okay, let's see what's in here. Looks like lots of nectar and really ain't got a whole lot going with that yet. And here's pretty light. It's fully drawn. Nothing in it. A little bit of honey in the top. Got a bunch of nectar in there. So they're working on it. Let's go to the next one. See what they mean about these things being hot. Looks like we got some brood. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of larvae in there. I can see them now with my glasses. If I wore my glasses. I wonder if this is where a queen's at. Because there's a bunch of little larvae in there. Definitely. Do not see a big giant queen though. See a drone. There's definitely a queen in here. Oh, that's all brood. Oh, that's all larvae over there on that outside. Man, I bet this queen's right here somewhere. No, I don't know. She's awful long, but just don't know if that's the queen. I know there's brood going on right here though. Lots of it. Let's look at another one. Hate to be in here screwing around. Kill my queen somehow. Lots of brood here. Looks like a queen cup, maybe. Some honey. Larvae. Yep, see them. Man, if I was good at it, I bet you I have looked right at this queen. I bet you. More larvae. Oh my goodness. All kinds of larvae down in there. I can see it with my glasses. Looks like some queen cups, but they're empty. You can see that they're empty. I guess that's queen cups. Dang, where's the queen at? She's in here. Because I got larvae. Alright. That's all brood. The next one's brood. You know what? I think I'm just gonna get out of here because I got brood. I don't see anything that looks like a mite, which I didn't even know I did see. Alright, I'm gonna get out of this one. There's all kinds of brood in there. And there's honey. And they're drawing. Not quite drawing the top yet, but they're drawing. So we're gonna leave these guys alone. Get out of here while the getting's good. Alright, I'm getting out of that. Go ahead and put this box back on. I don't know. I've been told I don't need it. I do need it. I won't need it. I can't tell. Alright, let's get this back on. Where's my brush? Where'd it go? Where did the brush go? Oh, down here, I thought. Dang it. Where's the brush? Huh. There it is. Alright. Excuse me, fellas. Damn. They did not like that. They do not like me brushing them. Well, they kill a bunch of you. You guys won't get out of the damn way. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that pissed them off. Absolutely pissed them off. Alright, we're just going to put this all back together. There's a lot of bees in there doing bee things. I don't already know. Definitely larva and brood. Lots of it. All right. Let's get this one checked out. I just really didn't feel like there needed to be any more business in there, because that's exactly what they're doing, is conducting business. Now I gotta try to get this stupid piece of stuff to work. Smoker's out. All right. I just don't really feel like there ain't nothing on any of this. Not a thing. Not one thing up top. Okay. There's a few bees in there though. Hanging out. Got a little bit of burr comb. Okay. There ain't near as many bees in here as there is over there. Not fully capped. Definitely. Yep, nothing there. Oh, this one's heavy. Good. Full of nectar and honey. That's almost fully capped. Boy, is that sucker heavy. This one here. Oh, that's brood. I don't know. Old honey? I'm not seeing any brood yet. I might have a queen issue here, I'm thinking maybe. Because that is all honey. Almost this whole thing is honey. No larva. Oh yeah, there's larva. Holy crap, there's all kinds of larva in there. I can see it now that I got a freaking glasses. Man, I wish I could find that queen. This one's got a pink dot. But there's a bunch of larvae in there. That is definite. That bee's loaded in pollen. Oh yeah, larva, brood. I bet my queen's in here somewhere. Where you at? Show thyself. See? I can see the larva in there. I don't see a queen. Dang it. I seen her when I bought her. She's got a big old pink dot right on her forehead. But no, she ain't in here. Well, I don't know. Probably looked right at her. Probably touched her. Truth be known. See what we got here. Oh. Larva. Larva brood honey. Let's see a queen. Nowhere. Nope. There's larvae in there though. I see plenty of that. Bunch of larvae in here. Yep. No queen. There's brood there. Quite a bit of it. Oh wow. Oh. Bunch of larvae. Bunch of brood. Get the honey on that sucker. Look how thick that is. Golly. That sucker is thick. Yeah, bunch of larvae in there. Don't see a queen. Boy, is that honey thick right there. Yeah. Oh. All right, well, I think the bees are doing the bee thing. Guess we'll look at another one. These are all brand new. I'll see, they're drawing on that one. Oh, there's a queen cup. I don't know what that is. Looks like it might have been a larva, maybe. They're drawing on this stuff. Got a long way to go. Yeah, they're working on it. Pollen, nectar. Starting to figure that out a little bit. Drawing this one up a little bit. Oh, this one's nice and drawn out. Oh my God. Man, that sucker's heavy. Look at that. That thing is, oh, that's all honey. Now this one, yeah, that's honey. Looks like older honey, maybe. And that one's drawn. Looks like that one's almost all capped. I'm gonna leave him alone. Get out of here. Guess I'll leave that box on there. I don't know. I'm just not sure why it would hurt to leave it. All I ever hear is, oh, you gotta make sure they got room or they'll swarm. Well, they got room. Lots of it. Lots going on in here. I got larvae, I got brood, and I got honey. These guys definitely are not near as big as the other one. The other one's got way more bees. Oh, that's heavy. Dang it. Super heavy. All right. Let's just get out of here. They're buzzing it up in there, that's for sure. Where's my... Oh. That lid's stuck. I'll leave it on there, held it. There we go. They're in there. They're doing the bee thing. They're probably thinking if this dude would leave us alone, maybe we could get some work done.